Hi, I'm Kathy, and I'm here to talk to library people about how to do a container garden. I went into my shed and discovered that I have all sorts of possible options. Anything that will hold some dirt and seeds can become a container garden. You can do pretty ones from the store, but they don't have to be. You can use a lot of generic type of stuff. What I would suggest, though, is make sure there are holes in the bottom so that you can have drainage. If you do something like this, you're going to have to A, clean it up, and B, put some holes in the bottom. But that would be a wonderful tomato container. You could possibly plant potatoes in something because it is fairly deep. You would just start with a little dirt at the bottom and your potatoes, and then add things to it as the potato vines grow up. This bin here is just about perfect for a little herb garden or salad garden, but you can plant deeper things in there too. You could do carrots and all kinds of things. If you have one of these, you can cut off the top and voila, you have a round garden. This one is completely perfect for potatoes. It's just an old styrofoam box that we got from somewhere, I don't know where. But you can plant really good deep-rooted things in here, probably even some kind of a fruit bush like blueberries, maybe. And if you have one of these, because the city gave us our own pickup buckets now, and you've got this left over, make some use of it. Mine even has a crack in the bottom right down there, and so I don't hardly need to do drainage holes. But make sure any of these have drainage, because if we get a 1 or 2 inch rain, you can drown your plants. So do that carefully. Anything that will hold soil and some seeds can become a garden. And that even includes just plain soil bags. Go to the store, get some garden soil, and cut on either side straight across, and then once down the middle, and fold back the flaps. And you will have yourself a wonderful instant garden, soil ready to go. Just plant something in it. It's just amazing. You can't do carrots because they're deep-rooted and the bag's not that deep, but just about anything else will work. So I hope you have a good day. Enjoy your fresh vegetables and flowers, whatever you want to plant. Stay safe and stay well.